Welcome to my honest review of Pivotal Tracker, a powerful agile project management tool designed to help teams streamline their workflow and track progress in real time. Pivotal Tracker has been a go-to for many developers and project managers, and in this video, I'll be sharing my personal experience using the platform. As soon as you log into Pivotal Tracker, you'll be greeted with a clean, minimalistic interface that's built for efficiency. The dashboard is well organized, showing your active stories, upcoming tasks, and the overall project progress. It's clear that Pivotal Tracker aims to make it easy to prioritize work and monitor progress without unnecessary distractions. Point one of the standout features of Pivotal Tracker is its ability to manage user stories. You can break down large features into smaller, manageable tasks and assign them to team members. The drag-and-drop functionality for moving tasks across columns makes it simple to update the status of each story, whether it's in a backlog, in progress, or completed. Pivotal Tracker uses a point-based system to track the effort required for each task, which is ideal for agile workflows. By assigning points to each story, teams can get a clearer idea of how much work is left in a sprint and whether they're on track to meet their deadlines. The velocity chart is another great feature, offering a visual representation of your team's performance over time, which is particularly useful for future sprint planning. Collaboration is another area where Pivotal Tracker excels. Team members can comment on individual stories, providing feedback and updates as they work through tasks. This keeps everyone in the loop and ensures that communication flows smoothly, even in a remote team setting. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources, so be sure to check it out after watching the video. The tool also integrates well with other platforms, including GitHub and Slack, making it easy to connect Pivotal Tracker with your existing development tools. Whether you're working on code, tracking bugs, or collaborating with remote team members, Pivotal Tracker can keep everything in one place. While Pivotal Tracker is generally easy to use, it does have a learning curve for new users. The terminology used in the platform, like stories and epics, may require some time to get used to if you're new to agile methodologies. However, once you get the hang of it, the platform becomes second nature and an invaluable asset to your workflow. In terms of pricing, Pivotal Tracker offers a free plan for small teams, but larger teams will need to explore paid plans to unlock more features and support. The pricing is relatively affordable compared to some other agile project management tools, and it offers excellent value given its robust features. If you're considering using Pivotal Tracker for your team's agile project management needs, I highly recommend giving it a try. It's a feature-packed platform that can help you stay organized, communicate effectively, and ultimately deliver successful projects. Don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more honest reviews and tutorials on tools for developers and project managers. Thanks for watching.